That is my knee.
And these are my knees.
And this is actually mine.
Nobody else has this knee but me.
The actual model of what is inside my knees.
It's got my name on it and everything. It's got a serial number, so this is forever me.
Well, these are actually the Conformis replacement parts for my knees. They're mine.
These are actually my bones because they scanned them.
So this is mine, and it matches the shape of my bones.
And it's custom made. This is Jack McCurdy, my niece.
Conformis really gave me my life back. This little device right here has changed my life. It's just incredible.
So that's why you need to have a knee that's made specifically for you. And so as you can see on these,